Hello, dear friends from social media. Today, I am incredibly excited to share with you a detailed lesson on how to play the rock rhythm on your guitar. This rhythm is a fundamental aspect of rock music and can really make your playing sound much more polished and professional. To start, let me explain the basic technique in detail. What I did was press these strings in a specific order. First, you press the 6th string on the 3rd fret. This is a crucial step because it sets the foundation for the rest of the rhythm. Next, you move to the 2nd string, also on the 3rd fret. Then, you press the 5th string, again on the 3rd fret. This sequence might seem simple, but it's essential to get it right. Moving on, you press the 5th string on the 2nd fret downwards. This is where the rhythm starts to take shape. You need to press all the strings as if you were stopping them all twice upwards. This creates a staccato effect that is characteristic of rock music. After that, you stop all the strings upwards twice and then downwards. This alternating pattern gives the rhythm its dynamic feel. Now, let's delve deeper into each step. When you press the 6th string on the 3rd fret, make sure your finger is positioned correctly to avoid any buzzing sound. It's important to apply the right amount of pressure. Moving to the 2nd string, ensure that your fingers are not muting any adjacent strings. This can be a bit tricky, so take your time to practice this step. For the 5th string on the 3rd fret, maintain the same pressure and positioning. When you move to the 5th string on the 2nd fret, you might notice a slight change in the sound. This is normal and adds to the rhythm's complexity. The staccato effect is achieved by stopping the strings twice upwards. This means you need to lift your fingers slightly off the strings without completely removing them. This technique requires practice, so don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. The final step of stopping the strings upwards twice and then downwards creates a dynamic feel. This is what makes the rock rhythm so engaging. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me in this video. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. You can also join my Facebook account, where I clarify more doubts and show you the tones I am using in each video. Your support means the world to me, and I love you all very much. Please share this video with others so everyone can learn and enjoy playing the rock rhythm. Remember, my classes are free, and I am here to help you become a better guitarist. Thank you once again, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you, 2001.